Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm gonna be guiding you through how to delete the Sims FreePlay account on your device. If you want to delete the Sims FreePlay account, first of all, open up the Sims FreePlay app on your device and from the main game after it loads, tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner. From the menu, click on Your Data Choices. On the next page, tap on Delete My Account. Click on Delete My Account one more time in the pop-up, and after you do that, any in-game progress, purchase, and rewards will be lost. Wait for a few seconds, make sure not to close the game or shut down the device, and your The Sims FreePlay account has been deleted. You can now close off the game and get rid of the application from your device. And that's how you easily delete the Sims FreePlay account on your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.